Good day everyone, I'm Himar Van Tumbang and our lesson for today is all about food additives. The objectives for this lesson are: first, to identify the reason why food additives are used; second, to understand the different sources of food additives; and lastly, to understand the different roles and functions of food additives in food. Let's take a look at the ingredient declaration shown here in this picture. Chances are, you probably recognize some of the ingredients like flour, butter, water, sugar, and baking soda because they are pretty basic ingredients that you probably have in your own kitchen. Yet, as you go further down the list, you start noticing some things that you don't recognize, such as thiamine mononitrate, azodicarbonamide, and calcium stearoyl 2-lactylate. You may wonder what these ingredients are, what they are doing in your food, and whether or not they are safe. These types of ingredients are called food additives. What are food additives? Some of the food we eat is fresh while most foods, however, are processed. In food processing, small amounts of certain chemicals are often added, and these chemicals are called food additives. They are used to improve the safety, freshness, taste, texture, or appearance of food. Some food additives have been in use for centuries for preservation, such as salt, sugar, and sulfur dioxide. There is a common misconception that processed foods automatically contain food additives. Foods like long-life milk, canned foods, and frozen goods are all processed, yet none of them need extra chemicals. According to the Food and Drug Administration or the FDA, food additives may be used for one of three main reasons. First, to maintain or improve safety and freshness. Second, to improve or maintain nutritional value. And third, to improve taste, texture, and appearance. There are three kinds of additives, and these are natural additives, which are found naturally; man-made additives, which are synthetic identical copies of substances found naturally; and artificial additives, which are produced synthetically and not found naturally. Examples of natural additives are ascorbic acid, gelatin, and citric acid. Examples of man-made additives are corn syrup, sodium, and trans fat. Examples of artificial additives are sodium benzoate, sorbic acid, and butylated hydroxyanisole. There are a total of 20 types of food additives, and we will be discussing it one by one. Anti-caking agents. It stops ingredients from becoming lumpy. Examples are flour and starch. Antioxidants. It prevents foods from oxidizing or going rancid, or meaning it prevents foods from being rotten. Example is the ascorbic acid or the vitamin C. Artificial sweeteners. It increases the sweetness of the food. Examples are saccharin, acesulfame, aspartame, neotame, and sucralose. Emulsifiers. It stops fats from clotting together. The emulsifiers keeps oil and water mixed. Examples are mustard, soy and egg lecithin, and guar gum. Food acids. Food acids maintain the right acidity level of the food. Examples are vinegar, citric acid, tartaric acid, malic acid, folic acid, fumaric acid, and lactic acid. Colors. Enhance or add colors. Examples are the annatto extract, caramel, and beta-carotene. Humectants. Keep foods moist. Examples are glycerin, honey, glucose syrup, egg yolk, and egg white. Flavors which add flavor. Examples are plant extracts, essential oils, herbs, and spices. Flavor enhancers. Flavor enhancers are used to increase the power of a food. Example of it is monosodium glutamate. Foaming agents. Maintain uniform aeration of gases in foods. Example is protein. Proteins, because they are edible, they are used as foaming agents in foodstuffs such as whipped cream and marshmallows. Mineral salts. Enhance texture and flavor. Examples are sodium phosphates, potassium phosphates, calcium phosphates, ammonium phosphates, and magnesium phosphates. Preservatives. Stop microbes from multiplying and spoiling the food. Examples are benzoates, nitrites, sulfites, and sorbates. Thickeners and vegetable gums. It enhances texture and consistency. Examples are collagen, cornstarch, gelatin, and guar gum. Stabilizers and firming agents. Maintain even food dispersion. Examples are lecithin, agar-agar, carrageenan, and pectin. Flour treatment. It improves baking quality. Examples are chlorine and chlorine dioxide. Glazing agent. Improves the appearance and can protect food. Examples are vegetable oils and waxes. Gelling agents. It alters the texture of foods through gel formation. Examples are pectin, starch, carbomer, sodium alginate, and gelatin. Propellants. Help propel food from a container. Examples are carbon dioxide, nitrogen, nitrous oxide, butane, isobutane, and propane. Raising agents. Increase the volume of food through the use of gases. Example is the baking powder. Bulking agents. Increase the volume of food without major changes to its available energy. Examples are guar gum, psyllium husk, and starch. The Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA, is the one who ensures that food additives used by food producers or manufacturers are safe and allowed for regulated use. So that concludes my report. Thank you for watching and God bless us all.